Sa place na nasa syudad ka, but you don't feel like you're in the city.
Oh,
Right?
I
Yung
see.
parang tahimik. You can feel na parang maraming tanim.
Oo.
Yung parang nasa probinsya.
Hi, sir. Congratulations for your one-bedroom unit here at 15 at Boni Place, sir.
My
So,
God.
ayan, sir. Anong feel na na-turn over na yung property sa inyo, sir?
God. So thankful, of course, right? Thankful. Pero I know I've been looking for a lot of places, a lot of condos here. Pero when I arrived dito sa 15 at Boni, I know that this is really for me. Kahit isang araw lang.
Oo
Alam
nga,
ko
sir.
na ito na. Feel blessed, feel grateful, and of course, thankful. Kasi without every support sa'yo.
Yes, sir. Thank
and of
you po.
course, the people sa Boni,
Uh-huh.
the 15 at Boni has been very supportive. At saka, of course, nandito na. Sa dreams ko to have a place in Angeles.
Yay!
It's a place na nasa syudad ka,
Mm-mm.
but you don't feel like you're in the city.
Oh,
Right?
I
Yung
see.
parang tahimik. You can feel na parang maraming tanim.
Oo.
Yung parang nasa probinsya. Like atmosphere. Pero it's like 15 minutes away from SM or something. So, very grateful. Of course, that.
Yes, sir.
That's
So,
the
are you excited to furnish your unit ba,
Yeah,
sir? So,
I
what are your
am.
plans in the
Plans.
future, sir?
Number one, I'll take my time.
Of course.
Anong feel ko. But yeah, I'm planning. I try to see first kung anong gusto ko. Of course, yung contemporary,
No.
simple, comfy, homey. Yun lang, simple na feeling ko akin.
Oh. So, ano bang parang vibe na gusto niyo or theme dito, sir?
It's
More of, ano, sir? Like, modern?
more on modern. Pero gusto ko yung aura na relaxing. So the colors will be relaxing as well.
Oh, I
Not
see.
really, although I like bright colors.
Oh.
Pero ayoko maging hyper sa room ko. Gusto ko when I go home, I'm chill.
Oh.
Right? Light brown, beige, cream,
Yes,
brown, gray,
Oh,
and all
I
this stuff.
see.
So,
At dahil dyan, sir, we have a simple token for you. Ayan, from La Contessa, sir. So, I hope,
my God. Thank you.
welcome, sir, home with your unit po. Ayan, so...
yeah, thank you, La Contessa. My family who came and my friends who arrived, so na how quality yung pagkagawa.
Yes, sir.
Daw, it's so nice.
Oh.
Very daw. But, and I can feel it too. Even my brother who's been very meticulous with all, he said that it was well built and well done.
Yeah.
Thank you, La Contessa.
Thank you, sir, for, ayun nga, for appreciating our project. And yun nga, you really deserve this one with all your hard work.
And sa your unit, welcome home.